So now that you've understood how to do it, let's see if you can express these fractions as decimals.
Sounds challenging. Can't wait to start.
Express these fractions as decimals. Level 1. Express 8 by 10 as a decimal number. We write the numerator. Then we count the number of zeros in the denominator. Next, count the number of digits, as many as the number of zeros to the left of the number, and place the decimal point. If the digits are less, we add zeros as shown in the above example. We write the numerator, that is 8. We count the number of zeros in the denominator, that is, we have 1 zero. Now we count one digit to the left of the number and place the decimal point, that is, before 8. So the answer is 0.8. Tremendous! Express 956 by 10 as a decimal number.
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 184 videos totaling 16 hours and 38 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for grade 4 math.